Summer is sizzling, and although we're in the last month of the season, it's not too late to update your wardrobe. It's never too late to update your wardrobe. And you know, as we enter our Independence Day, it's time for us to be financially and creatively independent. We don't need to be importing all these clothes from foreign when we have local designers like Yolvinta Designs, Romario Clark, the designer with some amazing pieces. It's all about that old vintage, and I'm excited because he's only 20, and when I got a little sneak preview of his designs, I said to him, I'm ready for you to make some pieces for me, and I want to share that with you, Jamaica, on Weekend Smile. Romario Clark, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm great, feeling great.
Feeling great. I just want to get into the pieces and then talk.
Right.
Do you mind?
No problem.
Because everybody always talk to you first, and I like to be different.
Right,
Like
I'll
you
work
are.
with you.
You work with me? Bring out the models right away. Let us see some of the designs and take us through each piece.
Okay. So this first look is a bishop sleeve dress, mini dress.
Yep.
And with a yoke, pleated, hand-stitched yoke with an oversized cuff. It's a bow tie with silk ribbons on it. And if you realize, the pleats are knife pleats, consistent, going in and around from front to back.
I love it. Very classy. Very classy. Where did you get the inspiration?
Inspiration really came from an avant-garde piece I did for Saint Avant-Garde Design of the Year. Right, so that's where the inspiration for this collection came from.
All right, let's see the next model because I already want that dress, please. Just put a little bit more length on it. I only do minis once a year.
Oh, okay. So this is a extra long penciled skirt.
Love it.
With a kimono top.
Love it.
Pleated as well.
Yes.
And the detail at the back.
I love it. I can wear that
really
too.
Fabulous.
I love it. Yeah, man, you can.
And these outfits can be worn interchangeable, so you can wear a different top with the skirt. You can wear a different bottom with the top.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. Absolutely gorgeous. Are you in any stores right now?
No, I'm not. I'm not in any stores right now.
You custom make?
Yes, I mostly custom make.
Okay.
Outfits. That's what I'm mostly focusing on. Women's wear I'm mostly focusing on right now. But I do a little bit of menswear as well, because as you can see.
I was about to say, I'm sure you made those,
I made
and they're
this
very
outfit.
nice,
Yes,
very nice.
thank you very much.
You're just 20.
Yes.
You come from where I grew, Falmouth, Trelawney.
Yes.
As a little girl, we used to have an ice cream shop in the town. Yes, and my daddy was a vet and looked after enough people. And you know, Trelawney has birthed some greats, like the Usain Bolts. And now you, come here, hold on, slow down, honey. Yolvinta Designs, look at this.
Okay, so this is a 3-layered sleeve.
Greatness.
Yes.
I love it.
With another pleated detail at the front.
What
with
you do?
a comma band, pleated comma band, and it's attached to this pants, a pencil pants.
What do you mean it's attached? I mean,
a comma band is normally worn. It's not normally attached to the
again?
pants. A comma band.
A comma band.
Yes. It's not, but this one is pleated and it's attached to the pants.
You're influenced by vintage, history, music, and architecture.
Right.
And that's how you've been able to sculpt these pieces.
Exactly.
Did anybody in your family have that gift? I always like to know, how do you take yourself from not knowing what you want to do in life to coming up with all of this?
It wasn't difficult coming up with these ideas, actually, because as I said, I mainly focus on the vintage histories. So that's where most of my inspiration will come from, and I just stick there and it works for me. So why not stick to what works?
I was going to throw it at you and ask you if your vintage is a European vintage.
Definitely.
Because
European.
I see a lot of Europe there.
Definitely European.
I'm going to challenge you for mine to add a mix of the Europe with some Africa.
No problem.
What is African vintage? No clothes, no joke. No, I'm saying with some clothes.
I'm up for the challenge, definitely up for the challenge.
I absolutely love it. So you custom make. How much for that top? I need that top in my life, and I'm sure some of our viewers do too.
A top like that would cost around $8,000.
Yeah, man. You know why I say that's very affordable? And don't make nobody ball you down too much. Don't allow me to ball you down the price. It's because we import so much, and we pay.
And people
love to hype with all of these designers.
Right.
Them so hype over Gucci, and so hype over what the next one name? Chanel. They're so excited about it, and they pay hundreds and hundreds of US for those, and they won't pay that for local designs. You're gonna have to change the game.
Right.
Are there any other local designers that you look up to?
Definitely, both in Jamaica and in different Caribbean countries as well. For example, Kurt Campbell won Mission Catwalk.
Yes.
I think it was season 4.
Yes.
I definitely look up to
Yes.
him as a designer. It's very
Yes.
creative. Even friends that I hang around, they don't have to be up higher than me, but I still look up to them.
Yes.
And I still take inspiration.
You're doing great. What's your Instagram handle again?
My Instagram is Yolvinta.
Yolvinta?
And Facebook as well, it's Yolvinta as
Okay,
well.
Yolvinta is Yolvinta. Check out Romario Clark's designs and make sure you purchase something. If we're going to be truly independent, we have to support our entrepreneurs. And I'm definitely going to order one of those shirts.
Thank
Okay?
you very much.
Bless you, my brother. Yeah, man. 20 years old, people, from Falmouth Trelawney here in Kingston, doing big things. He's a big designer, and look for him. Vintage history, music, and architecture is what he speaks of in his designs. Stay with us. We wrap things up on the other side of the break, and you can continue to see some of his fashion-forward pictures on our Weekend Smile screen. Absolutely beautiful. Today's a good day.
'Cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me?
DJ Jamaica.